Hello guys, this is Azhar Ahmed and today I'm going to show you the demo of the artificial intelligence attendance management system where I will show you how this system is going to work and what exactly it is. And this is actually regarding the artificial intelligence where we have communicating, we have capturing the face with the recognition and detecting the face and capturing the record into the database. So this is how it is look like. This is the dashboard. This is the main board where you can see the webcam, the camera 1 and the camera 2. So when I click on the webcam, it is going to show the picture. This is me. Hello. It is showing the attendance of mine with the name, and it is already in the system. So it is showing that attendance already marked. Okay, so when I click on the dashboard, it is showing us the dashboard. It can be customized, it can be changed as per the requirement of the client customer. And then if I go to the employee registration, over there I can see that we have a small form here, which is first name, last name, father name, employee ID, phone number, email ID, department, and all these information. Then take a picture and submit it. So once I submit it, it will be recorded into the system. Like here, I can show you some two. There are the employee registration registered already. Okay, so when I click on the take employee photo over there, I will search the employee with the name or with the employee ID. So it will display here the employee name, employee ID, and the picture also. So when I click on the capture face, it will start taking the picture, which is something around 500 pictures in a blink of an eye. Okay, and then I will click on the train face. Train face will uh, start detecting the face and the vector of the face, and it is going to give the embedding file, which is I will store into the database or into the background over there. It will be saved, and then after once it will be saved, then we can proceed with the detection of the face. And here we have the report section also. Over there you can see the employee details, like when it detected the face, and then it will quickly mark the attendance. Like you can see employee ID, first name, last name, time in, time and time out, and the time hours, and the status is showing present. And then here it is employee attendance report. Here also you can search the employee. You can see the picture, the name, the ID. You can use the calendar from to and then load it. So you will have the reports. This time there's no data, it's just a demo session, so there will be no data in it. So after that you can be able to download it in the PDF and in the Excel as well. Okay, so there is also attendance summary report in which you will have the attendance of all of the employees uh, into the organization you have. You can load it and download it in the PDF and Excel format. So this is how the systems look like, and here you can see that what stacks we have used to develop this. So the mainly programming language I have used here is Python, and the framework which I have used is Flask, and JavaScript framework. Obviously, we have used JavaScript in it, and the server we are using the Flask because we are running at the 127.0.0.1 5000. So this is our server. Okay, so this is the languages which we have used and worked. Here I want to show you that what are the languages I have used in getting this AI face recognition model. So here you can see the lot of applications I have used in it. Okay, so the most commonly used, the face recognition, which I have used the FaceNet PyTorch. So I have used the PyTorch, also the Flask. Obviously, I have told you already. And apart from this, I have used the Keras also, and I have used the other languages. And you know that when you're doing the face recognition, so you need to have the uh, graphical card, so that you also need to install. And I have used the pandas as well in it, and the plotly for the dashboard charts. And I have also used here the you can see the request, because you will be calling the HTML files in it. And I have used the scikit-learn SciPy also in this model, because you will be doing the probation probability, and you'll be using all those formulas. And here I have also used the TensorFlow, okay, and the Torch Vision, Tornado. These are the libraries I have used already into the system. It's something around 179 libraries which I have used. Here we have also the settings option. Over there you can add user, view user, and we have the logout option also. So you can log in like this. This is how the system is working. So if you have any question, and if you want to request one, so you can contact to me. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.